Hello. It seems slowly I can leave VS Code again and just deal with Visual Studio. So far, sometimes I had to use VS Code to be able to have some features that I didn't have in Visual Studio.net. One of that features that I already introduced and talked about and tried was, or I can say is, agent mode. Let's have a look in VS Code again. As you can see, in Copilot, we have three options to deal with AI code generators and such things. Agent was kind of new about 1 or 2 months ago. Agent is a developer. You can ask it to do something. Let's try it here again. Create a .NET Core 10 solution. Just create a get method which gives me a hello world without any input parameter. Call the solution test agent mode in VS Code. Done. If you do it in ask or edit, it gives you an answer like ChatGPT. But this guy does the job. I'm not going to talk about agent in VS Code anymore because we know how to deal with. I already created a video about it and everything was happy. Now I want to say no need to deal with VS Code anymore. We came here to VS Code just because we did not have agent mode in Copilot in Visual Studio. So what about now? From last night, we have. How? Let's have a look. This is my beautiful Visual Studio. First of all, update. This version, preview. As long as you haven't updated your Visual Studio, you can't see this feature. So, the first step, update. Next, integrate your GitHub Copilot into your Visual Studio. We already did all of these things. And now, if I come here and want to use it, see? You can upgrade to Pro version also. That is not necessary for having access to things like agent. So don't worry about money or payment or Visa card or such things. Open chat window. If you came here for the first time after the update, you won't see agent mode at all. So what is the solution? You should activate it. How? Options. Search for Copilot. Enable agent mode in the chat pane. Tick this guy. OK. It would be appear here. So change it to agent, create a .NET Core Web API with get and post method for a person entity. The solution name is or should be agent web API. That's all. Name does not matter. So now, whatever we had in VS Code is okay and ready to use inside Visual Studio. See? Agent is such a developer, like a guy. So they ask you to give it permission to do something. When you order, it said, okay, I listen to you. I want to follow your orders, so I should do that. Do you accept? You say yes. In ask mode, for example, it gives you an answer only as a text or picture or something. It says, go do this. Agent mode means it does. It doesn't say, go do this, go do that. It does it, which is nice. This menu pane something is same as what we had in VS Code. So I'm not going to teach you how to use it. We already did in other older videos. I just wanted to say whatever you had in VS Code already now is ready to use in Visual Studio. And I showed you that it is ready. The rest is on you. But in between, let me suggest you something. Creating solution and folders are a little bit heavy for agent or such things. So if you create an API solution before ordering them to do something, it would be much faster and easier. But at the same time, if you prefer to just wait a little bit, you can. As you can see even here, creating file and folder, especially for the first time, is a little bit time consuming for this guy. Let's call it guy. Otherwise, oh no, wait. Better to come back to this. Yeah. Yeah. This one also was one of the problems. Yeah. Always switch to cloud. This one is much better than GPT or such things. Just to ease the job, I have deleted that thread by this icon button something, created a project at first, and then ordered a controller with entity and action method, and it worked properly like this. Let me show you here. Yeah, see, it created the person controller with whatever I ordered beside the person entity. So slowly, you can make yourself familiar with agent mode inside Visual Studio. It's amazing. It is a very good experience for every developer, not only .NET developers. If you migrate to Visual Studio, things can be handled much faster and easier. I hope you enjoy not my video is nothing. Visual Studio and agent mode and Copilot together to develop big things, to earn money, to have a good life. Thank you so much. Bye bye.